In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Angels Primary won and decided to send Christiana Moravian Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Christiana Moravian Primary and Bible knowledge. In which garden did Jesus pray before his crucifixion?
The Garden of Gethsemane.
That is correct. Angels, in which town did Jesus turn water into wine at a wedding?
Cana. Cana.
That is correct. Science. The amount of friction depends on the materials of the surfaces involved. Is this statement true or false? This is for Christiana Moravian.
True.
That's correct. Angels, rougher surfaces generally create more friction than smoother ones. Is this statement true or false?
True. True.
That's right. Christian Moravian, Regional Affairs, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Michaela Smith.
That is incorrect. It's Mia Mottley, the Prime Minister of Barbados. Angels, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sandra Mason.
That is incorrect. It is Kamla Persard Biseso, the Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago. English language for Christiana Moravian, spell intrigue.
INTRIGUE.
That is correct. Angels, spell exhaustion.
EXHAUSTION.
That's correct. Television, it's a visual. This is for Christian Moravian. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Will Smith.
Incorrect, it's Denzel Washington. Angels, look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Will Smith. Will Smith.
That's right. General knowledge for Christiana Moravian. Addis Ababa is the capital of which country?
Ethiopia.
That's right. Angels, Santiago is the capital of which country?
Chile. Chile.
That's correct. Christiana Moravian, social studies, which is the only municipality in Jamaica that covers 2 parishes.
Kingston St. Andrew.
That is correct. Angels, how many municipal corporations are in the parish of St. Catherine in Jamaica?
Two.
That is correct. Christian Moravian, music, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Johnny Webbing.
Incorrect, it's Jimmy Cliff. Angels, look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Freddie McGregor.
Freddie McGregor.
That's correct. Mathematics for Christiana Moravian. What is 3,554 rounded to the nearest 10,000? That should be rounded to the nearest 1,000.
4,000.
Correct. Angels, what is 17,659 rounded to the nearest 10,000?
20,000.
20,000.
Correct. Sports is a visual for Christiana Moravian. It's look at the monitor and identify this person.
LeBron James.
Incorrect. It's the NBA star Kevin Durant. Angels, look at the monitor and identify this person.
He plays for the Dallas Mavericks. Just name a person.
Kobe Bryant.
Incorrect. It's the NBA star Luka Doncic. And with that, we are at the end of section 1. The scores are Christiana Moravian Primary at 6 and Angels Primary on 8. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achievo. Don't get too hooked on your phone and other devices. Try to make time for outdoor play and to socialize with others at school and at home. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.